Today, we're diving into our top 10 most popular videos that have inspired and educated gardeners like you. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Stick around to see which video takes the number one spot and why it resonated with so many viewers. And hey, as we go through the list, let us know in the comments which video is your favorite, or if there's a topic you'd love us to cover next. Starting off at number 10, we have a fascinating experiment. Can you germinate a seed from a frozen pepper plant? We took a pepper plant, froze it, and then tested if its seeds could still sprout. The results were surprising and fun. Have you ever tried freezing seeds before planting? Share your experiences below. At number 9, gardening in the winter, how to start seeds outside early with winter sowing. This video explores a clever technique using milk jugs as mini greenhouses to jumpstart your seeds. Perfect for those in colder climates. Have you tried winter sowing? Let us know how it worked for you. Number 8. Coming in at number 8, can you grow horseradish from grocery store roots? We took a root from the produce section and attempted to grow it. Spoiler, it's easier than you might think. Have you ever grown something from the grocery store produce? Tell us your success stories or anything that's really weird that you were able to get grow. Number 7 is all about using existing resources to improve your garden. Can cardboard save your garden? We explore innovative and traditional ways to use cardboard in your garden. Do you have any unique gardening hacks? Share them with us in the comments below. And number 6, 5 great ways to use garlic scapes. This is a personal favorite of mine because it was fun to make and explore the culinary potential of garlic scapes. Plus, I experimented with music in this one. Kind of a different style for the video. Do you have a favorite way to use garlic scapes? Drop your recipes in the comments. And what did you think of the style of this video? Halfway through at number 5, can you grow chamomile from tea bags? We tested if you could grow chamomile straight from a tea bag. The results might surprise you. Have you tried growing plants from unconventional sources? We'd love to hear about it. At number 4, hydroponic tomatoes. How to easily grow tomatoes hydroponically. Using the crack key method, we grew cherry tomatoes with just a bucket of water. Next time I might try a dwarf variety, but it worked well. Have you dabbled in hydroponics? Share your tips. Number 3 is a bit different. Cheap ways to keep the Tiki torch burning. While not strictly gardening, it's perfect for backyard enthusiasts. We explored alternative fuels and wicks for Tiki torches. Do you have any backyard do-it-yourself tips? Let us know. Our runner-up coming in at number 2, how to use a Jiffy greenhouse to start seeds. A straightforward guide that many found practical and helpful. And it makes me think, maybe we need to do more reviews of simple products that people use in gardening. Do you use Jiffy greenhouses or similar products? Are there things that you would like us to look at or review? Share your experiences in the comments below. And finally, our number 1 video, dollar store gardening, the best garden bed for $1. This video sparked a lot of interest with its innovative approach to creating a budget-friendly raised bed. Even if it's $1.25 at Dollar Tree now. Have you tried any dollar store gardening hacks yourself? We'd love to hear about your creations. And there you have it, our top 10 videos that have helped grow our community. Which video was your favorite? And what would you like to see next on our channel? Comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.